In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a 12-cup capacity coffee maker. This is a programmable coffee maker from the company Hamilton Beach. And let's just kind of like go over the box here. You know, it's got wake up ready coffee, easy touch programming, first cup fast with auto pause and pour. How about that? I guess it's where you can take it off, pour, and then put it back. Coffee your way, select brew, 1 to 4 cups. Peace of mind, 2 automatic shut off. Looking over the side here, lift, clean. It just kind of like goes over how to, you know, make coffee. If you've got this coffee maker and you've made it this far, you probably know how to put coffee in one. So let me just go ahead, open it up. This is how it is right here. Let's just open it up and see what's inside the box. Okay, open it up. First thing I see is a little set of instructions. It's not much to a coffee maker. Well, very nicely packaged. They put little foam inserts in there. So that is glass, so they've packaged all nicely around it with the foam. This has just some little plastic cover on it. They just pressurized it with the foam. Maybe you want to wash this out before you use it. So yeah, it looks like it's all ready to go. I do have some filters here. I like using the brown filters. These are not bleached, so they're more of a natural filter. And these are the 4 to 12 cup filters. And I think it's from the company Melody, maybe is how you would say that. So let's go ahead. Let's set this thing up. Add some water to it. You can go up to 12 cups there. Add the coffee to it. Looks pretty simple. And then program it and get this thing going. So let's take it in there, hook it up, and let's do it. All right, everybody, here we are. I've just set the coffee maker up. So let's go ahead. Let's fill up 12 cups on here. So I'm going to put 12 cups of water. I decided to put 8 in there. I didn't think I needed 12. So I'm going to go ahead and put the water in now. Just like that. Coffee pot's in there. You can see right here on the side, it has 8. So before you put the pot in, you want to go ahead and put this in right here. You want to add, see this little edge right here? That just drops right down in there like that. Add some coffee to it. A little stout with the coffee. Put the flip top back on. Highly recommend these flip tops. And actually, right here, I'm going to put this on program audible. So you see when you program it, it's on auto. We know that when that's on there, so that's down. In 2 minutes, we should see this thing fire up. So right now, I've got it set on 8 and it's 7:58. So we'll see if the program works. So let's go ahead, let it set on program, and then I'll come back and see if the brew starts going. And I've got it on regular brew. So if I've done this correctly, it should come on as soon as. So this would be like you set coffee for 6 a.m. in the morning. Uh-oh, there it is. The red just went on. It should be brewing right now. So right now, technically, it should start heating up. Okay, everybody, it was like maybe 30 seconds. You notice it's still on 8. 30 seconds, this already started brewing. Check it out. So this got fogged up. You can see it dripping in there, and listen. This thing worked great, very affordable. This is something I highly recommend for anybody that's just wanting to get a decent coffee pot at an affordable price. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Hamilton Beach 12-cup programmable coffee pot. Coffee maker. See y'all in the next video.